I, for some reason, did not post it. So I'm posting it now. Hopefully you get a chance to watch it at some point. We'll talk about it tomorrow anyway. Okay, so let's go to the question. So here is which expression is equivalent, okay, when combining like terms. So here's 12m plus 12 minus 5m. So let me just make it bigger. All right, so what we're going to do is, right, we're going to combine, right, just like the French fries and all that stuff. So 12m with minus 5m. Be very careful. So it's 12m minus 5m. Lado. And then the 12 and the 3. So plus 12 plus 3. And for last, of course, plus 2m. So now I combine what I can. So let's see. 12m minus 5m is 7m. 12 plus 3 is 15 plus 15. And then plus 2n. So is there an answer que se parece con este? 7m, 15, and 2m? Yeah, there is one right here. Okay. We'll move on. 2, when evaluating, so order of operations. So let's see if I can bring this. Hang on. ちょっと待ってください. Here we go. I can put 2 questions in one. So, order of operations. We're gonna go, oh, this is a very easy one. So, we're going to do the grouping first, right? So, aquí dentro. What do we do? Exponents or addition? Obviously, it's exponents. So, 24 divided by se queda, 8 stays, and then plus, and 2 to the second power is 2 times 2, which is 4. Again, continuing. Divided. We got to finish what's inside here. 8 plus 4 is 12. Ta-da. Now I can do 24 divided by 12, and that equals 2. We're moving. Number 3. So it's a translation, right? We're going to translate. So always do it step part by part. 7. What is 7? Ahí está. Less than. Less than is a subtraction, but it's a turnaround. So I'm going to put a little star here so that we don't forget to switch. Okay? Para cambiar. 3, ¿qué es 3? 3 is 3. Times. Times is multiplication. The sum. The sum quiere decir soma. Pero remember I said when we want to write the sum, we want to put it in parentheses. So we're gonna put plus. Pero en paréntesis, right? The sum. Who are we adding? ¿Quién estamos sumando? A number que no conozco, A, B, C, whatever. Let's choose N. And what's the other number we're adding? 6. Am I finished? No, because remember, less than, I have to switch. So el 7 goes to the back, va para atrás. And this whole term here, 3, and plus 6 va adelante. So, is there an answer que se parece como esto? Is there an answer that looks like this? Yeah, it's this one, right here. Okay, what is the value of the expressions 3x? So let me, again, a little bit bigger. That's a z to the second power. So x is 12, z is 4. We're going to switch. So 3 times, and in vez de x, we're going to put 12. So let's put a 12 over here. Minus z, and in vez de z, instead of z, we're going to put a 4. So now we 4 squared. Así está. Watch your order, guys, right? So let's do it in order. So first we do exponents, right? So first we do grouping, the parentheses, but there is no parentheses, so no, nothing. Exponents, yeah, there's an exponent here, so let's take care of that. So 3 times 12 se queda. Minus, and 4 to the second power is 4 times 4, which is 16. Done. Is there multiplication or division? Do you see any multiplication or division? Yeah, we see one right here. 3 times 12 is 36. Are there any multiplication or more division? No, so we're finished. And por último, addition or subtraction from left to right. And 36 minus 16 is 20. And here's our answer. Five and six. Let's connect to 5 and 6. Yeah. So, which phrase represents the expression 7s minus 6? Is it the difference of 6 and the product of 7 and the number s? 6 minus, so difference, let's do the first one. The difference, what is difference? Difference is subtraction, right? And who are we subtracting? ¿Quién estamos restando? 6 and the product of 7s. Does this look like this? No. Number 2, 6 minus the product, la multiplicación, of 7 and s. Does this look like this? También no. 3, the product, multiplication, of 7 and a number, 7 and a number que no conozco, s, la letra s, subtracted from 6. Subtracted, que resta from 6. Now, subtracted from is a turnaround, so eso se transforma, it's going to change to this. Does this look like that? También no. So the only one that can be, el último que puede ser, es este. So here is 6. Fewer than, I know we haven't used this word, no usamos esa palabra, but fewer than también is un turnaround. Fewer than. Okay, that's a turnaround. So 6, fewer than subtraction, product of 7 or and a number, right? N or ellos están usando la letra S, they're using the letter X. Well, let's use the letter S too. So turn around, right? We switch, it becomes 7s minus 6. So the only one is this one. Okay, so it would be D. Here, now this one is a little tricky. I'm not a big fan. Now watch what happens here. 2 times 9, right? Then times 7. Over here, they did 7 times 2 times 9. So what happened? El 7, the 7, and the fact, and 2 times 9, they switch places. Cambiaron de lugares. So this is the same thing as something like this. 5 times 3. And if we switch the order, se queda 3 times 5. La orden se cambia. So what is this property? ¿Cómo se llama el property? When we switch the order, se llama a commutative property, right? So be very, very careful. This is not the associative property, okay? I don't want to confuse you. Siete. Ooh, this one we did on Friday, okay? So a company rents a bicycle for a fee. So to get a bicycle, you need to pay $10 plus $4 per hour. So which of these expressions, right, represent 10 plus $4 per hour? So vamos a rentar una bici. So we're gonna pay $10 first. Primero we pay $10 plus, aquí está el plus, 4 per hour. And which one is this? This one is letter B, right here. Okay, careful. 8. We could have done that. 8. 8 is, so how many terms? Or they're asking about terms, coefficients. So terms. So here's my 10n plus 18 minus 20j plus z. And we already know that in front of the z, we're going to put a 1, right? So how many terms? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Coefficients. How many coefficients? Well, we have a ds, a 20, and a 1. So there's 3 coefficients. Then constants. Constants are el número que está solito. So there's only one constant. One constant. And how many variables, guys? El n, the j, and the z. So there's 3 variables. So let's see which one has 4 terms, check, check, check. 3 coefficients, this one and this one. So este ya no, and this one, no. 1 constant, aquí está, 1 constant. And 3 variables. Good, so the only one is that one. Super, super easy. This one we talked about again on Friday. Okay, so here is the formula, right? Para cambiar Fahrenheit to Celsius. F is this Fahrenheit, is C the Celsius. So when it's 99 Fahrenheit, cuando es 99 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So we're going to take that 99, I'm going to ponerlo aquí. I'm going to switch, cambiarlo. So C equals 5/9. And the F, we're going to put 99 minus 32. So now it becomes a problem. So let's do the parentheses. No. So 5/9. And 99 minus 32 is 67. 9 minus 2 is 7. Yeah, 67. So put that in your calculator. 5/9 times 67. And you're going to get this number over here. 37 and 2/9 degrees. A very hot day. So distributive property, right? So here we got distributive property. So I remember the order. So 4 people order 2y and 4 people order 7j. So we're going to write 4 and 2y. We get 8y. Plus 4 people get 7j. So it'd be 28 juice for j. Right, so let me just write j. So, and you can tell, aquí está your answer. This is a perimeter. Hay un cuadrado, remember? And we want to walk. So imagine, queremos caminar, dar una vuelta. Right? We want to walk around this. It's a square. Es un cuadrado. It's a square. So a square, todos los lados son mismos. Valor. It's all the same size. So this is 5x. This is 5x. This is 5x. And this is 5x. So we're going to go 5x plus 5x plus 5x plus 5x. And that gives us a total of 20x. So that's our answer. 20x. Is there an answer? Yeah, there is one right here. You see the 20x. Okay. So 12. Remember so if you have this in your notebooks, right? We have an expression 3x plus 6 plus 21 plus 14x. So we're going to combine. Remember, we're going to make this a little smaller, shorter. So first, let's do the ordering. Put a number 1 here, don't forget. So we're going to get 3x plus, and then 3 and 6 is 18. And then plus 21 plus 14x. So remember, I asked you to put a number 1 here, because that's our first expression, numero 1. Number 2, we're going to circle. Well, I can circle 3x con 14x. And I can circle or square 18 plus 21. Let me put them side by side, lado a lado. So 3x plus 14x. And then we're going to do plus 18 plus 21. And then we're going to combine, no? Now we can combine, juntarlos. 3x and 14x is 17x. And this is 18 plus 21, which is 39. And here's my second expression. So, okay, this is expression number 2. And then 13. Mr. Math orders lunch to be delivered. The cost of each lunch, cada lunch, is $6.25. There's a one-time delivery fee of $3.50. Write an expression to find the cost of ordering lunches. So, ¿cuánto te cuesta para pedir el lunch? So, how much does it cost to order lunch? Well, to order lunch, delivery, para recibirlo, there's a fee, right? Or delivery, entrega. So for them to bring me the food, para ellos traer mi comida, I have to pay $3.50. Okay, plus how much is each lunch? Cada lunch is, so I'm going to write 6.25 times for lunch. And I'm going to use the letter L for lunch. Okay? So that's my expression. Now, if 3 people eating lunch, if 3 people ask for lunch, how much are we going to pay? Well, that shouldn't be that bad. So 350 para la entrega plus 6.25 times how many people order lunch? 3 personas pidieron lunch. So now we can use order of operations. So 350 plus, this is 18.75, right? 625 times 3 is 1875. And then if we add this, 350, we should get, let's see, 25, 22.25. So the total, if 3 people order lunch, is $22.25. Okay, and one more question, again using order of operations. So not a big deal. First we do grouping, right? So 10 stays, se queda, what? And then se queda, stays, and everything stays. So let's do inside the parentheses first. So what's 9 divided by 3? 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now, grouping, done. Exponents, do we have any exponents? We have 2, so let's take care of that. 10 to the second power is 100, minus, and 3 to the second power is 9, and then divided by 3. Exponents, finito. Now it's multiplication or division, whichever one comes first, from left to right. Do we have multiplication, division? No, we have division. So let's do that first. So 100 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. Finally, we do addition or subtraction from left to right. Well, there's only one operation left, so the final answer is 97. Okay?